Hello and welcome back to another Filevine walkthrough. Today we're going to be discussing source linking that relates to AI fields and ProjectsAI, as well as how to do side-by-side analysis where you can actually look at the AI output compared to the document you uploaded, as well as edit the AI results. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. So the first thing you need to make sure you have is obviously ProjectsAI or ProjectsAI. That will allow you to essentially upload documents here and get an output to various text boxes for prompts that you might have set up. So that's kind of step one. Make sure you've purchased it. If you don't have these purple sparkles or the ability to turn on AI, that's a good indicator that you haven't purchased it yet. The next part would be obviously uploading a document, making sure it OCRs, goes through the generation process, and then make sure that you get this little checkbox here, meaning that it has now OCR'd and there will be output pertaining to this document and the prompts you selected. So once you do that, and I'm actually going to scroll down to one of these down here, just because it has a few other pages for us. You'll notice with the latest AI update is that it will actually allow you to source link now. So basically what that does is it just takes the different page numbers where it found this information and it links them here for you. So instead of having to read through, maybe 100 pages if you needed to find exactly where this page or pulled from, it's going to list those pages for you. So the nice thing is if I were to click on one of these, so if I clicked on page 10 here, this is going to pop out into another window and then start loading this document for us. And you can see it skips down to page 10 here for me. So I don't even have to scroll. It automatically jumps to page 10 and I can check its work here if it had anything. Now this is kind of just a generic upload. This is our test project, but you can see it still skipped there for us, which is nice. So the other option that you would have, and this might be because you ran AI before we had the latest update about the source linking, but you can always go back and manually source link if you wanted to. So you can see here, I'm in another provider. I uploaded this document with CPT codes. You can see that some of this information has linked, but others have not. So if I wanted to link this page where this actually gives the CPT codes, I can simply click into this paragraph. I can highlight this page number if I want to, and then I can hit source link. So if it's truly on page 1, I can go ahead and hit apply. I can always then click this, open it, and view that page. We can see that this information is located on page 1. If I did, however, want to change it maybe to page 2, I can always come in here and just hit the little edit linked number, and I can go ahead and turn this into the second page if I wanted to by just one click. So it's really up to you. Again, if you want to edit that, you can simply edit that page number. You can also copy a link. So if we copied that, come over here to a new tab, paste that in, that's going to open up our document. And since we linked it to page 2, it automatically jumped there for us. Now, if you actually didn't want to link these, you do have the option to come in here and just remove that link. That will take away the hyperlink for you there. Other option that you have is if you wanted to highlight this area and go ahead and make a link, you can actually choose which document you want to link this to. So if you've uploaded multiple documents, and again, this will tell you up here which file it actually pulled from. But if you want to link this one and also link the page number, you're able to say, hey, this is pulling from the CPT and this is the page number it's on. Because once you start generating more of these and uploading more documents, you're going to get more of these AI analysis start fields, right? So you're going to have multiple potentially fields in here, and that's why it's important to be able to select which document you actually want to tie this to. So in the future, if you need to go back, have a quick look at these documents, you can just simply click on this and it will open up to that page without having to scroll through and find that specific document and page that you're trying to reference. Another option that you have available to you is the Edit AI results. So you can actually come in here and it's going to pop out and load your document, and it's going to basically transition into what we call side-by-side AI review. So not only will you be able to see over here your AI analysis and what the prompt came up with, but you can actually view the document yourself. So if you wanted to pick through, if you're looking for maybe specific CPT codes or other things like that from here, and you want to have open the AI output as well as the document, you can go through here and look at these both at the same time. You can also come in here and edit the analysis. So if you wanted to, add a number 3 in here and type additional info, you can definitely do that as well, or even cite some additional CPT codes if you have them and what they are. If for some reason maybe the AI didn't cite them, or if you just wanted some additional information pulled into the AI analysis over here, you could definitely do that. So once you have that typed out, you would simply just hit save. And then that's going to save your changes back in Filevine so that you'll be able to see this third bullet type that's pulling in there. You also have the option to copy this analysis. So if you want to copy this output and maybe paste it into a different document, that's also available to you as well. You can also make this iframe larger or smaller depending on your needs as well. Now that we pop back into the AI analysis here, you can see we actually edited that AI result, adding in our additional type with our CPT code there. And again, if we wanted to link that, we do have the ability to add that source link. That is a walkthrough of all the latest AI source linking and side-by-side review. Hope this was helpful.